Hi, we're going to make pork broccoli today. We're going to use about 2 cups of broccoli, like that. Cut it little pieces, and we use pork. We can use about a pound of pork slice, you know, sliced pork, and you can use pork chop, pork loin, pork shoulder. Today we're using pork belly. First, we have to boil the broccoli. And all we have to do, we just put some oil in it, in the boiling water, just a little oil, and little sugar, teaspoon of sugar, and you put that in. Here's 2 cup of, around 2 cup, see like that. At the meantime, we're gonna marinate that pork, and you put white pepper on it and salt. Then you put eggs, probably half an egg white, or doesn't matter. Then you mix them up. Then cornstarch. If not enough, like that. After that, we put the oil in it. And that's done. So that's ready. So now you see the broccoli ready or not. I think the broccoli is ready. So we just scoop them out. You can see the color change to a deeper color, and it should be done. But sometimes if you got some bigger or a little older broccoli, then you have to cook it longer, boil them longer. Okay, the broccoli is ready. Then now we're gonna cooking the pork. Then we put some oil in it, any kind of oil, like vegetable oil, corn oil, peanut oil, anything. Just put some oil in it. And better wait until it is hot, real hot. Okay. You just put it in there. You don't have to move it. I mean to move around that much. You just leave it there, let it brown. So that you see that kind of browning them. You just turn them over. It only take a few minutes to cook these, and they cook pretty fast because they are thin. If you want a big chunk of, because they only like that big, and they're pretty thin, and they cook pretty easy. See like that? If you use a pork loin, they cook faster than the pork belly. So We can use any kind of pork. Yeah, that's about done. Okay, then now we're gonna put some gingers and garlic in it. Also some onions. And you can scoop this meat out, or you can just leave it on the side like that, and you can use the other side for frying up onions. Yeah, okay. Then keep browning the onion a little bit, and after that, we're gonna put some cooking wine in it. 2 tablespoons, and also some soy sauce, just one. How do you like that? Half tablespoon, and a couple tablespoons of oyster sauce. And some sugar, teaspoon of sugar. And some white pepper, just sprinkle some. And a couple teaspoons of sesame seed oil. Now you can put the broccoli in it. And or you can just make it like that, or you can put put more gravy on it. Some people like it more gravy sauce on it. So I put 4 tablespoons of chicken broth in it. Okay. And if you do that, you have to mix some sauce on it. So you have to thicken the sauce. So we put little water. And cornstarch. Like that. And you put it in there. So this will thicken the sauce. Okay, and that's a pork with broccoli.